The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a popular weight loss supplement that has gained attention for its ability to promote weight loss. It is a unique formula inspired by the diet and lifestyle of the people of Okinawa, a Japanese island known for the longevity and health of its inhabitants. The tonic is made up of a blend of natural ingredients, including herbs, berries, and spices, that have been carefully selected for their weight loss benefits. These ingredients work together to support a healthy metabolism, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. One of the key ingredients in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is EGCG, a powerful antioxidant found in green tea. EGCG has been shown to increase metabolism and promote fat burning. By boosting metabolism, the tonic helps the body burn calories more efficiently, leading to weight loss. Another important ingredient in the tonic is piperine, which comes from black pepper. Piperine has been found to enhance the body's ability to absorb nutrients, including those in the tonic itself. This means that the body can better utilize the beneficial ingredients in the tonic and experience their weight loss effects more effectively. In addition to promoting weight loss, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic also provides other health benefits. It helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is important for overall health and can contribute to weight loss. The tonic also supports healthy digestion, helping to reduce bloating and improve nutrient absorption. To use the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, it is recommended to mix 1 scoop of the powder with water or your favorite beverage and consume it daily. It is important to note that while the tonic can be a helpful tool for weight loss, it is not a magic solution. It is still important to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly for optimal results. Overall, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a natural and effective supplement that can aid in weight loss by promoting a healthy metabolism, reducing inflammation, and improving digestion.